Hi guys, I'm Emma and today is number 95 of A Ramble Through Our Bookshelves, and I'm going to read today's book, Appley, Dappley's Nursery Rhymes. Appley, Dappley, a little brown mouse, goes to the cupboard in somebody's house. In somebody's cupboard there's everything nice. Cake, cheese, jam, biscuits, all charming for mice. Appley Dappley has little sharp eyes, and Appley Dappley is so fond of pies. Now, who is this knocking at Cottontail's door? Tap, tap it, she's heard it before. And when she peeps out, there's nobody there, but a present of carrots put down on the stair. Hark, I hear it again. Tap, tap it. Why, I really believe it's a little black rabbit. Old Mr. Pricklepin has never a cushion to stick his pins in. His nose is black and his beard is gray, and he lives in an ash stump over the way. You know the old woman who lived in a shoe, and had so many children she didn't know what to do? I think if she lived in a little shoe house, that little old woman was surely a mouse. Diggory, diggory, delvet, a little old man in black velvet. He digs and he delves. You can see for yourselves the mounds dug by Diggory Delvet. Gravy and potatoes in a good brown pot. Put them in the oven and serve them very hot. There once was an amiable guinea pig who brushed back his hair like a periwig. He wore a sweet tie as blue as the sky, and his whiskers and buttons were very big. The end. Thank you for reading with us today.